come on down to Mill Street and watch all the action, or just stay with us here on
One beat, one step, one sound at a
We'll bring it to you, but I don't think you can catch a beat from home. I can try, but you kind of turn down here to have a good time. And the music is just a little different when you're hearing it in person. You're getting some of that soul as well. These are the mega sounds of M-Town. Some more of that local representation as well. They're the high-energy performing ensemble of the Memphis Youth Arts Initiative. They bring together the power of dancers, horns, and drumline into one dynamic unit representing the rhythm, creativity, and soul of Memphis. There they go. Love those outfits. This youth-driven ensemble provides free arts access, mentorship, and performance opportunities for students across the city using music and movement to build confidence, leadership, and community pride. For parades in Chicago, festivals in Augusta, Georgia, and major stages with Master P, the mega sounds of M-Town is keeping Memphis culture alive, one beat and one sound at a time. They're still a little far away, so we might not be able to hear them just yet, but again, we're here on the patio at Alfred. Special shout out to them for hosting us again this year. As they get a little closer, I'm sure we will hear some of that M-Town sound. But Yvonne, they have the motion, that is for sure.
Yes, they do. Girls are out there funkin', and we love to see them get down. I mean, it's just awesome to see our young people doing things that are positive, that are creative, that are just engaging. And it's so great to see them.
We can hear them now. Let's listen in. That drum line thing, man. Feel that in your chest. All right, might have time for a quick break here between a little more performances. Let's take a quick message from our sponsors. We're back right after this.